there tonight.
Yo,
Looks like you got your bags loaded.
we're on a
Welcome
plane
aboard.
right now. It is 1 a.m. We're supposed to arrive in Florida at like 8 or 9 a.m. I'm tired. It's been a long day. Originally,
I'm tired this morning. I wake up and brush my teeth early in the morning and wake up.
so we're supposed to have taken off like 2 hours ago, but our flight was delayed. Now we're on the plane. We're getting ready to leave.
Honestly, don't snore.
Right there. Y'all know how we do. Hi, baby.
We're headed to right now. I'm gonna keep it a surprise. I'm not gonna let you know now. We're super magical.
We made it, guys. We're in Florida. You look at the airport. Say hi, guys. It's so humid out here. It's giving a little Arkansas type weather-ish. What you think, Kai?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like it.
Uh-huh.
Why is it actually nice?
It feels good, right?
Yeah. I thought it was gonna be bad.
Hot.
Yeah.
It is kind of hot, though. Oh my god, we're traveling with the celebrity, guys. Oh my god. We're never far away from home, y'all, with the Nevada plates. Suckers. Okay, so we made it, you guys, to Orlando, and we're in the car now. Look, everybody's in the car. Some big old van. Everybody wave. Everybody's not waving. There we go.
But the beach is right there too.
Of course, Creed is driving.
It's some real music for your youngin'.
In 3.7 miles, take exit 16 to merge onto State Road 417 toward Orlando.
Babe.
In about 10 miles, take the exit.
We're in Buc-ee's, you guys. Look at that. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Thank you. Look how big this store is, y'all. Oh my god, Army. Look at that. Of course it's $17. You want it?
For the $5.99 or the 371 ready for pickup.
Toys. Look at these little Buc-ee's guy thingy. Please. Look at that little purse. You already found something up. Look at that. Army, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at all this stuff. Everything's Buc-ee's.
Yeah, you need a swimsuit?
Oh, for the beach.
No.
Yeah, get that. Get that for the beach. No. Hold on. Blue or green? Blue.
You happy?
Yes. Look at this banana pudding.
Cookies though.
What is this? Mixed berry pie. What cookies? What cookies? These cookies? These cookies?
Yeah, but there's a whole other section that has. I got the
Ooh, what about your basket, buddy?
What you think?
There goes that banana pudding.
I'm gonna put it back. Either you hold it or I put it back. You wanted it. Alright, we got it.
This way. Look at this.
For the 1,000
Huh? The cookies? Where did Daddy go? He just ventured off.
That's fudge. You ain't gonna eat this, no. This isn't good.
Come on, let's go find something else. Come on, this way.
What is this, kid? Short?
Oh, $3?
Yeah, I'm gonna get one of those though.
I want one of those. I want.
Look at this. Wow. Look at that. Ooh, pecan bar. Cinnamon roll with pecans. Ooh, look at that. Oh, look at that. That looks good.
Everybody wants to be here for spring break, right?
Oh, okay, this way. Here's the hot food. Come on, Elf. Oh, look, the barbecue sauce. The brisket. This way, no. Over here. Look at that. Pulled pork sandwich. Sliced turkey sandwich. Sausage on a stick. 3-meat sandwich. The peach cobbler. Oh, the brisket. That's what I'm looking for right there. Chopped brisket. You can send them in here, babe. I think I'm gonna get some of these pecan praline cookies, Arnie. Got them. Let's go ahead and try this Buc-ee's chop the brisket, y'all. This is what it looks like. It smells divine. Look at that. Let's go ahead and try it.
Daddy.
Where is the sand?
Okay, Army, so we left the beach. We all sandy and dirty and need a shower. What do you think? And wet. And we need a shower. Ready to Walmart, you know, to get some stuff for dinner or whatever. And then we're gonna head to the B&B and give y'all a tour, and we'll play it from there. Catch y'all a little bit like. Yo, Army, it is currently 5:44 p.m. or 6:44. I can't remember. I don't know. I think it's 5 o'clock. We still haven't made it to the B&B, y'all. We are now here at Wally World, as y'all can see in the back, getting groceries. And some extra things we need before we make our final stop at the Airbnb, because once we do that, you know, we will chill, watch a movie maybe, get in the pool maybe, who knows. But we gotta get some food so we can cook dinner. And that's about it. Everybody's tired. We have not showered yet because, like I said, we've been on the move. And we're sandy still, coming from the beach. But I'm about to get me a coffee.
Football court over there.
Turn left onto
So you just ain't gonna open the door?
Oh, sorry. I'm gonna go. Oh, this is our room right here, babe. Oh, Maya has to pick first. It smells good up in here. This is beautiful, y'all. Ooh!
Whoa.
Oh man, look. They chill. Oh, this is nice. Ooh. No fear, look, Paw Patrol. You guys, hurry up.
Oh yeah, baby. I want to see which one she picked.
I know. I'm not gonna give her any leeway because I don't want her to pick the one I want.
Make sure y'all grab everything. Let us show you where the rooms are.
Showering.
Bathroom attached. Okay, come on. Okay. There's a room over here.
There's the washer and dryer right there. Hold on, Nove. Yes, hold on.
The bathroom attached. They look like they lead to the back.
Yeah, the backyard. I would love for this to be mommy's room. Maya, please think of mommy for this room.
Is everything out there?
And we still haven't looked at, still haven't seen the backyard and the pool.
Bathroom attached.
I'm not choosing this one.
You're not choosing that one? Okay, this one's for Amira and
Cammy.
Cammy then.
They have a Pac-Man game.
Maya, stay focused, baby. Stay focused.
Alright.
Star Wars.
No.
Queen bed.
Oh.
It shares the bathroom. I think. Or is that a closet?
It's a bathroom, and then this is the toilet isolated.
Here's the Paw Patrol.
Mommy.
Paw Patrol bedroom.
No.
Mommy.
And here's the bedroom.
I already put all this stuff in. I
So
want
which-
the one downstairs.
What do you think of the Airbnb for your birthday weekend?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to go show the army your room?
No.
No? Later?
No.
Yes.
Why y'all want to see my room?
And this is the birthday princess's room. All to herself. She got to pick first. Don't mind that crib. There she is. Little gorgeous baby. Hi, baby. And she gets it all to herself. Look, right outside to the pool she goes.
Block. God. I'm blocking her right there. Ooh. Down.
Over here.
Good job, Novia.
Okay, good job. Going next time on FandEcollision. On Army, it's vlog. As you can see, the mystery is over. The secret is out. We're going to Disney World. You already know what's up, Army.
Here now.
Hey kids, everybody say Disney.
This is Disney. We here now.